Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today we're doing the drawing for Panda-Frog 21 July. Let's do that first. Let's see if I can get it in view without, let's just spin the wheel. And it is Pocket Woman. I think you donated it. Well, let me know the contact. So yeah. Alright, congratulations, Pocket Woman. And for Panda-Frog 21 August, so hashtag of course. Well, a couple of you know, in August my son was born last year on the 8/8/20, so he's turning 1 on Sunday. Well, what are we doing for the month of August? You don't need to pick anything except some dates or measurements. I had you pick, I think, the birthday, the length, and the weight of my unborn child at the moment when it was born. So we're gonna do something similar. I would like you got 2 chances to win a coin, one of my nice, beautiful coins in August. And what you have to do is, sorry, I'm just a little stuck right now. Well, he's turning 1 on Sunday, so he will have his, on the 10th of August, he will have his next doctor's appointment, and we will know the next, or he will take the next measurements, the next length, and the next weight. So you guys, or ladies, can give me 2 dates, 2 measurements, the weight and the length from the 10th of August, so the upcoming doctor's appointment. Alright, so when he was born, his weight was, I believe, around 4,000 grams, so 4 kilo, and I think it was 4,020 or something, and his length was 52.5 centimeters. So now your mission, if you choose to take it, how much has he grown? Alright, so on 10th of August 21. Let me zoom in. Anyways, this must be a lot of oh, come on. I feel a little confused right now, sorry. So give me these measurements, alright? Sorry if it was a little confusing, but yeah, that's the rules. Give me the dates, the measurements on that date. I got a little package from China, and I will include in every next package I send out, I will include one of these pretty nice, lovely Panda locks. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, maybe we should speed pick them. Well, I got like 20 of these. They're kind of closed. Yeah. So there's a box of these, and we got a second box. I think in each box there are 12 of the Panda locks. I already used one, so I still got around 23. So this is part of the price, and of course my lovely coin. Alright. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the confusion. See you next time. Bye bye.